Show the hair. Feels good. Alright. Alright, lay face down.
Lay face down?
Yeah, so what area bothers you on your back? So tell me.
Probably my mid and upper back.
Mid or back? Like
Yeah,
perfect.
sometimes my lower.
Okay.
Right above my booty cheeks, you know.
That's it.
Alright.
Alright, then put your hands right up here. There's like a little spot for your hands. Let me look at your back real quick. Does it hurt when I push here? Any pain? Any pain?
This is about to be crazy.
Is there pain here or not?
Just a little.
Which one's worse?
Probably right down.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that one needs to go.
You get mad too and shit. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, you're mid upper back. You're right. This is the spot, man. It's all messed up in this area. Yeah.
I can feel it now.
Yeah. I can feel it too. Okay, cool. So lay on your side and face this way. Face me on this side. Yeah, there you go. Make your lower back first. Let's slide it first. Let me see your upper leg. Bend this one. Keep your bottom leg straight. Perfect. Let's see your hands. Lay down. Relax.
Relax, Dari. Relax.
Yes. Yeah, it's this right side right there, huh? This is it. So.
That was deep.
I heard it, bro. Hey. Yeah, so lay face up. Lay face up. I'm about to get a lot more right now, so use your hands because there's some other areas I need to go.
I knew I was a good candidate for this.
Oh, you're a great candidate. So let's see here. Yeah, right there. You guys ready for the lunge?
Yeah.
Well, ready for breathe it out for me.
Oh my.
You guys, come a little closer. You guys gotta hear this, man. I mean,
How you feeling,
You don't even gotta put a sound edit.
Malachi.
I don't. Right there. Damn, this is bad right here too. Ready? Oh. Ready? One more. Ready?
Oh.
This
It's
one
like his
too.
bones came out, right?
Oh.
No, crack his neck. Crack his
Crack
neck.
his neck. Oh, he wasn't playing.
He said he's getting man-bodied over here.
Oh yeah.
You guys, come up closer. You gotta hear this.
Sorry.
Let me look here. Let me see what we can find here.
Oh
Which one's the worst?
Ooh,
Actually,
that's
right
sore.
there, man. Right there. Yeah, that's it. That's the
Oh, boy.
spot, man. That's the restriction right there. Right there. Oh, no, relax. Your muscles are tensing up on me. Oh my God!
I feel like a new man.
You're still good. Yeah, relax and we'll see. A little bad right there.